The oscillating knife cutting machine has outstanding advantages in multiple industries with high-precision physical cutting technology. The material has strong adaptability, capable of cutting textile fabrics, leather, sponges, as well as processing KT boards and soft film lightbox fabrics in the advertising industry, corrugated paper and honeycomb boards in the packaging industry, soundproof cotton and airbag fabrics in the automotive industry, and insulation gaskets in the electronics industry, covering materials with flexibility to medium to low hardness. The automatic fitting system cooperates with the conveyor belt through photoelectric sensors to achieve automatic transportation of raw and sheet materials. For example, the packaging industry can accurately grasp cardboard, and the advertising industry can smoothly fit large format fabrics, avoiding manual handling losses and improving efficiency. The intelligent typesetting function relies on AI algorithms and supports importing multiple design files to quickly generate optimal solutions. It can dynamically lay out according to material characteristics and utilization targets, greatly reducing typesetting time and helping enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency.